guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be showcasing some Nerf guns. We're going to be hitting them at each other because we got soft bullets. And let's get into it.
Oh! All right, guys, let's get him. Oh, he has a shield. He blocked it. We gotta go. Going into stealth mode. Can we get him?
Family.
Ah!
Okay, let's get him. Whoa! Did you see that?
Here I come.
I don't even know if the guy you was looking at the... Okay, ah!
Right in the chin.
Okay, this is how you reload the bullet. You pull this thing, and then you put the bullet in. Ready to go. Let's go.
Alright guys, let's go see where Grayson is. We're locked and loaded over here with our Nerf gun. Let's go get him. You see anything? Oh! Let's go. Go, 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 go! Back it up, we need bullets. We found one. We got one, guys.
There's so many bullets over here.
Give me one. Oh. He was looking the other way, guys. Ah.
Haha.
Let's get him, get him, get him, get him, get him, get him.
Let's go, boys. Ah! I don't even know if you saw him.
I almost took out my head. So a real man did it.
Yo, I didn't even move. I didn't even move, and he still missed me. There was, by the way,
I'm
guys,
gonna edit that out.
there was an actual aimer on this thing. That shot didn't even hurt.
Not gonna make the video.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe
Editing it out.
Okay. Oh, just ran away from him. I didn't capture that. I forgot to, but yeah, it chased me down and I had to run. Oh! I don't know if you guys saw him, but whoa! Extra bullet. Mr. Gentleman, I've got a surprise for you.
Ow.
How did you do that? It was uncalled for. Okay, I'm just casually walking away from a bad aim. God, look at this. I'm not gonna move.
That hit. Body shot.
It actually didn't hit me. I'm telling you. Yes, it did.
Ah! Leg shot. There's a pillow and I hear movement. I think it's Grayson. Ah! Did you guys see him? You didn't even warn me. Scared at that.
Whoa. 3, 1. Thanks.